Eighth case, equation of a circle when it touches both the axes. Now here a figure has been drawn. Now what a new thing is there now? When a circle touches both the axes, then H is equal to K is equal to R. Coordinate of center becomes R comma R. Okay, because this distance and this distance both are equal. Both are radius, naturally they are equal. Now, equation of circle, now this becomes x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square is equal to r square. Required equation, x square plus y square minus 2rx minus twice of ry plus r square is equal to 0.